Imagine this, a single drone, worth a mere $5,000, wreaking havoc on millions of dollars worth of enemy military equipment in just one day. Sounds like a scene straight out of a sci-fi blockbuster, right? Well, welcome to the real-life drama unfolding in the ongoing conflict between Ukraine and Russia. Picture this. The Ukrainian Presidential Brigade executing a daring raid on a warehouse in Staromlynivka, decimating Russia's prized military arsenal with surgical precision. Among the casualties, the formidable BMPT Terminator, 2 T-72 tanks, an S-60 anti-aircraft system, and 2 Ural 4320 off-road vehicles loaded with ammunition. The cost? Forbes estimates it to be in the tens of millions. But here's the twist. While this drone strike showcases Ukraine's growing expertise in unmanned warfare, it also shines a light on a potential vulnerability in their defense strategy. The reliance on drones, while effective in certain scenarios, may hint at a shortage of heavier munitions in Ukraine's arsenal. Military analysts suggest that a lack of artillery, glide bombs, or rockets could have ensured complete destruction of the warehouse complex. So why opt for a drone strike? The answer lies in a potential shortfall of heavy weaponry, exacerbated by delays in aid packages from the United States due to political complexities. This strategic move by Ukraine underscores the pivotal role of drone technology in modern warfare. It highlights the need for a balanced arsenal where advanced drone tactics are complemented by a robust supply of traditional weaponry. Only through this equilibrium can Ukraine truly hold its ground in the ongoing conflict. As the war continues to unfold, the significance of drone warfare will be closely scrutinized. This incident serves as a stark reminder of the evolving landscape of warfare, where unmanned aerial vehicles play a crucial role. It underscores the imperative for a comprehensive defense strategy that marries cutting-edge drone capabilities with conventional firepower. In this high-stakes game of chess, every move counts. And for Ukraine, mastering the delicate balance between drone warfare prowess and access to heavy munitions may well determine the outcome of this modern-day David versus Goliath saga.